Today we will see about how to chat with yourself in WhatsApp to take notes or remember a grocery list. One feature that WhatsApp is still missing, that is note to self. The feature basically allows user to text important messages they want to remember, such as shopping list, any important message from someone, etc. Though WhatsApp does allow user to star the messages for future references, it has certain limitations compared to Note to Self. In Note to Self, a user message to himself and an instant messaging app show them in a separate chat window. This not only makes it easier to find those notes, but also they are easily available. It will also be backed up along with the other WhatsApp chats and data. Now the feature is already available in WhatsApp rival apps such as Signal and Telegram. But how do we get that in WhatsApp? Follow a step-by-step guide. Open any web browser on your smartphone or PC. Type this link followed by your phone number along with the country code on the address bar and press enter. The example is given below. This will automatically redirect you to another web page. Click on continue to chat button. If you are using smartphone, for this, then it will automatically open WhatsApp with a chat window with your phone number on the top. In case you are doing this on PC, then you will have to log in using WhatsApp web. That's all. After this, you can start sending important messages in this chat window. You can also share photos, videos, text, as well as just like any regular chats. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.